tatting up my face. Hello from my bathroom. I just wanted to show you guys that I tatted up my face like Post Malone. Hey, hey. We did a little extra additions that he doesn't have because I thought they were fun. So if you want to see me and watch me tat my face up for fun, like put tattoos all over my face for fun, then keep watching. All right, kids. Okay, I'm about to tat this face up. So these are the temporary tattoos. They're from Ink Days. They sent these over to me and I thought this could be a fun video. So why not? And they have like 2 different sizes. I haven't put temporary tattoos on in so long. This is like so fun for like a festival, kind of like makeup for your face that's temporary. Lord knows I've gotten way too many tattoos that I regret. It would have been safer to do these ones and cheaper. I'm not reading the directions, so we're just winging it. Oh, it kind of fits good. All right, so I think like you wet a washcloth and then dampen it like this. Wow. All right, 1 down. I guess I'm literally looking at a thing of where his face tattoos go. Stay away goes over the right brow. What does that even mean? Is there something like a message behind that? Stay away. Got that one on. I'm gonna put a big sword on my face. Listen, no hate towards Post Malone, right? He's a super talented artist, but like, tell me you were f***ed up when you went to the tattoo place and you're like, I'm gonna put a big sword right here on my cheek. What? I've had my fair share of like stupid friggin' tattoos that I've had to get removed. Thank God, if he wants, he can get them removed off his face. I bet that would hurt. Imagine what the tattoo artist was thinking. Man, tattoo artists must have some good stories, huh? I'm gonna have a good story if the doesn't come off my face, I know that. Oh, I mean, that does look pretty cool, right? I'm feeling more badass by the moment. Gonna do the Playboy Bunny right by the sword. Or getting it. Face tats are like all the rage these days. And then they're not gonna be all the rage, and then all these people are gonna be stuck with freaking face tattoos everywhere. Right corner eye. Oh, did I put this in the wrong spot? Man, I messed up where this one goes, so I'm just gonna stick it right here. Also, I think that the best part of this video is gonna be seeing that this stuff actually comes off my face, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, I'm kind of digging this look. Okay, Post Malone. Ink blot left cheek. Wait, ink blot? What the hell is an ink blot? Always tired. I feel you on that one, Post Malone. Mama over here, always tired. Oh my freaking nose is running. Wonderful, that's cute. Ugh, hold please. I need a tissue. I'll just stick that there. All right, here we go. That's more like it. This is a look, okay? Is a mood, or whatever the kids say these days. Is a look, it's a look. I don't even know what I would do if I was gonna tap my face. I'm just curious what his thought process was like going. I'm sure he's talked about it somewhere. Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments because I'm too lazy to look it up myself. Where does always tired go? Always tired, under right eye. I can't see, it's like all blurry, this picture. So I'm gonna put stay away and I'm gonna do it like that. Oh wait, always tired. Never mind, always tired I'm gonna do. Oh my God, now this nose is running. Really? I can't catch a break over here. I'm just gonna start like putting them wherever I feel like. Oh, it does do always tired underneath the eyes, I was right. I think I put it on the wrong eye though. Like I think it's gonna be backwards, but Mama tried, okay? So in case anyone's wondering, the directions, when I did read them, said to put it on like clean skin. Just so everyone knows, I have makeup on my face right now and it's still like totally working. I'm hoping that like when I take the makeup off, the tattoo's gonna come off. It's not gonna like stay on my actual skin. So, oh, I didn't, dang it. I forgot to take the plastic off. Okay, that's not working, so we're just gonna leave the plastic. I totally fucked that one up. Oh, I'm really bummed that I did this wrong. I'm gonna pick it up differently because I messed that one up. I'm gonna put stay always instead of always tired. That way it kind of just looks like, oh yeah, there's something under both her eyes. There we go. Now I'm gonna put this big ass tattoo on my neck. Oh! I don't know if this is gonna come off. I feel like I really should put makeup on to help it come off easier. But it better come off. So these things work way better when, oh God, when you do it on like bare skin instead of skin with makeup. Like that looks pretty real. These don't look as real because I have like makeup underneath them. I'm gonna like do some more because why not? If I'm gonna put tattoos all over my face, we might as well go big or go home, okay? I'm about to put this in the middle of my freaking forehead because why not? Oh, this is where he should have put his sword. Now this is a bad spot for a sword. Now that screams, I'm a motherfucking badass. Don't mess with me. Actually, I think there's one more we're gonna do. God, I really hope these come off. This is cool. It's like a little rose tattoo. I'm gonna put this on this cheek because it's missing something on this side. If you're gonna tat your face, like, tat the whole freaking thing. Now I gotta make a rap song. All right, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you wanna see more videos like this one, or you have an idea of a fun video for me to do that you wanna see me do, let me know down in the comment section. I am going to do a video after this showing you if this actually comes off my face in the process of taking it off and if it comes off or not. So if you want to watch that, stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys all so much for watching this fun, weird video that I decided to do. I am sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in the next video.